IELTS coach Meena Nerula, and today I'm here with one of the most trickiest question which is there in your IELTS reading, and that is tagged as complete the summary. This type of question is there in your IELTS academic, and sometimes it is there in an IELTS journal training as well. The technique to find the answers, that is totally same. You just need to follow what I'm going to tell you today in this video, and please make sure you are watching the entire video, otherwise half knowledge and you won't be able to find the answer. When you read such questions, there are a few words which are given over here, and you need to fill up these gaps with these answers. The first problem which children face, they say, ma'am, we don't know where these answers are and whether we need to find the ditto synonym from that particular paragraph and how to go about the things. I'm going to sort the things, I'm going to tell you how to do the things. First important thing is that these answers are always in sequence. That means whenever you are going to find that particular location where these answers are, first you will get the answer for 18, 19 and many more. And then never ever read the words which are given in these blocks because they are of no use before you read the passage. And when you see the things, there will be 100% keywords for the location. For example, here it is written psychologist and then it is written Zimming. So these are the names which will hint you where these answers might be. And if I scroll down the thing and I can find the name psychologist Anne over here, and if I go down and I can find this name Zimming here. One more trick, if they are different paragraphs, 100% here the answers are in different paragraphs. So don't find the answers from a particular paragraph. What I'm going to do, I am not going to read the question first. I'm just going to read or go through this for the hint. I'm going to read the paragraph first, understand the paragraph, and then find the answer. Let me show how to do the things. For example, here it's written psychologist and again, and you need to find. I'm going to read this paragraph very quickly so that things become easy. Multiple studies show that digital screen use may be causing a variety of troubling downstream effects on reading comprehension in older high school and college students. In Stavanger, Norway, psychologist Anne and colleagues studied how high school students comprehend the same material in different mediums. Morgan's group asked subjects questions about a short story whose plot had universal student appeal. Half the students read the story on a tablet and other half in paperback. Results indicated that students who read on print were superior in their comprehension to screen reading peers, particularly in their ability to sequence details and reconstruct the plot in chronological order. So more or less here there is a lady called Anne, and she is a psychologist and she is doing a research. Half of the students she gave something on digital media to read, and half of them they got the printed version, and at the end it was concluded that students who were doing on the printed version, they were better of the things. I'm going to keep this thing in your mind and I'm going to jump to my question. It says, there have been studies on digital screen use showing some dash trends. So they want to see, now here it is written dash trends, and if I read over here, I can find the word digital screen here. Digital screen here may be used causing a variety of troubling downstream effects. So now here it is downstream effects, and if I scroll the things and if I go and if I read the word fast, isolated, emotional, worrying, so nowhere something troubling or here ditto word is given over here. What is there? That when she is showing that she is showing her worry, so you will mark the word D over here, and the answer here is D. So some worrying trends. So what you need to do, you need to understand the things and then you need to match the words according to the meaning. You will not find a ditto word. If I move forward here for question number 19, she said her team then used a question and answer technique to find out how dash each group. So now here if I go through and say how they go through the things, and here the answer is how thorough. Thorough means how clearly they go to the things. So this is the way you need to do the answer. Remember one thing, you are not going to find the ditto word. Follow more and you will be able to get the answers.